What the hell?
Oh no. Oh!
Kitty! What's up, guys? What's up? Oh my god, the case. Touching the camera. Whoa. Oh my god. No! Alright, everyone. I'm joined here with my brother Andrew.
I'm back in business, baby.
So today we're gonna make some apple tarts without a recipe because I think I can figure it out in my head.
I mean, you are a chef.
And you're pretty good at cooking too, so.
Yeah.
We just ran to the market to pick up our ingredients.
6 honeycrisp apples, 1 lemon, demerara sugar.
That's for like pastries.
Puff pastry sheets.
Apricot jam.
You have to cover your face so I can.
Yerba mate.
For Drew.
And we
got a
got
cat, kitty on the counter to help us.
She loves
emotionally.
to be involved. Yeah. The kitty's like this. Oh, she just wants pets. Maybe she'll help us knead the dough. And then our Bubby's under here. Well, anyways.
How do we start?
How do we start? We gotta start by peeling the apples and cooking them down into a compote.
I got my
Let's get
fit.
down.
I got navy blue sweatpants on.
Time for us to wash these apples really good, peel them, and we're gonna cook them down.
Meow meow, grab the peeler.
I'm in.
It's kind of funny how I have a cat and I'm allergic to him.
Me and her.
I said them. Maybe I said him. No, I think I said them.
This is gotta stay in the fridge so it does not melt. We got our apples nice and cleaned. Now we gotta get to peeling. It's
Mom,
really easy.
your
Ow.
turn. My big finger don't fit in here.
See if you can make a really long spiral. Oh, thanks, Mom. She helped us. Thank you so much, Mom. You're gonna be the reason this succeeds. What has this year been like for you?
Crazy lit movie. 1.
Nice, Andrew. Oh my God! And Mom got the longest spiral peel.
Put
Beautiful
that to
stuff.
the test.
I don't know how Mom's always doing that. Like such a breeze.
Mom grew up in a different time.
What you talking about, bro? Call me old.
I used to eat the peels. When Mom used to peel them, remember, I'd just like munch.
I got a bowl of cold water that I'm gonna put the apples in so they don't oxidize and turn brown too much. And I'm gonna add some lemon juice in there. Thank you, Mom!
I killed 4 or 5 of them
Yeah.
in the time that Andrew killed 1.
Alright, bully.
Bruh. What the hell? The peeling has been completed, bro. That's kind of gross.
I feel like the ticket machine at Chuck E. Cheese.
Now we gotta start making a caramel of sorts. I'm hoping to upload this video on the same day that Ashley posts her making cookies without a recipe roommates video. And we're making this without a recipe. And let's see who
this a
cooks more
battle?
flawlessly. Yeah, this is a battle. We're the ultimate roommates. We know how to cook.
We were the original roommates.
We are basically just combining vegan butter and sugar right now and melting it down to a caramel.
Seems like a lot.
No.
Oh! Oh!
Whoa!
Oh! Now we're adding in brown sugar.
Okay, that's probably it.
Right now, I'm chopping up the brown sugar because it's kind of chunky. And then I'm going to stir it into this butter. That ain't real butter.
Vegan butter.
But you can use butter. Or like Indie Rocks, the true alternative.
Oh my God. We gotta turn the heat up, otherwise it's literally just sitting there.
You're really just standing here at this point. Oh, it's burning my hand. It's looking pretty good right now, though. So we're just gonna let this sit, because...
You gotta chop some apples, bro.
I don't know where to leave this. We're in a sticky situation.
Chopping it into little cubes.
I'm
Great.
a chef.
You got any New Year's resolutions, bro?
Like a huge at the gym. Post more on YouTube.
We'll see how that goes, bro.
Not very serious videos, but just more relaxed, low quality videos. Ashley's present hasn't been missed in this household. She has
Ashley's
simply
presence?
been replaced by Kitty, but Kitty doesn't drive me anywhere or buy me food or talk to me really, so. She enjoys music, which is funny, because it's
Yeah.
a cat, and she always comes into my room and lays on my bed while I'm playing music. Okay, so then you take the apples,
We're gonna put them in that sauce we made.
medium low heat, roll the propane.
Now we're gonna toss in Andrew's apples.
Apple.
Bro. Time to add my apples now. Okay, let's go. You hold the spoon, no offense. Okay.
Spoon.
Okay, let's go. It smells so good. Let's taste this. Kind of the most delicious thing I ever eaten in my life. Now we're just trying to get the sauce reduced for like a long time, kind of. Do you think that you could explain the scientific process of what's happening with these apples right now?
No. Add lemon.
Okay, that's probably good. We're gonna add in some apple cider and then reduce that too. And the apple cider's gonna add a delicious flavor. Let's add cinnamon.
Oh, show! Bam, I'm getting nice at this. Cinnamon is a vital aspect.
It's actually looking kind of bussin'.
Health and wealth and urban man. I'm gonna start cleaning up. Gotta stay neat, man. This is gonna go on top. Demerara. Wow. Wow.
After me and Angel went to the grocery store, we also got some Starbucks.
I got caramel brulee.
This is a grande mango dragon fruit lemonade. It's pretty tart.
Pretty sweet. Time to have a sip of my yerba mate, which is the opposite. I usually don't drink coffee because that hurts my stomach. So I just drink pre-workout before I go to the gym instead of coffee. This coffee kind of makes have some bowel movements, if you know what I'm saying.
You ever like almost pooped yourself at the gym?
No. I usually make sure I'm like perfect before I go to the gym.
This is the current state of our apples. You want to turn it almost like a jam.
Listen to her boil. Man, your mama.
We're gonna mash these apples now to get more
juices
out of them.
It's not really mashing too well.
Really? Is it too hard?
I'm just so strong it doesn't even matter though.
And just pulling out all the gym hours, putting them to use.
Listen to the rock actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not as strong.
I'm trying.
What's your bench?
10.
What?
Just kidding. There was a time where I could bench 200.
There was a time she was benching 185 for reps.
There's so much juice. Did you know me and my friends recently started playing Among Us again? And I made Andrew play with us because we needed more people.
I killed him.
But it's actually kind of amazing. If there's anything I could recommend to you guys right now, play Among Us again.
Not gonna lie, it's kind of gross. Looks like
Okay,
throw up.
you know what?
Looks like someone threw up. And
No.
You're just mixing it in
It's-
a hot pan, in a hot pot, crock pot. We're filming on my camera right now.
This is Andrew's camera. He's the cameraman. Okay, honestly, like, this
feeling
is
like
kind of
Elliot
fire,
Chloe.
bro.
With this big old camera.
Andrew's never met any of the roommates still. Do you think you're ever going to?
Maybe in the octagon. Gonna get to it.
Wait, where are you gonna meet him? In the
Octagon.
What's that even mean?
UFC.
Oh, really? Like, you're gonna fight him?
I'm gonna review Kelly Wakasa.
What's your impression of each of them?
Kelly is the definition of eating too much protein and creatine. Elliot seems really smart. Maybe too smart for his own well-being.
I thought Elliot was really smart, but pretty goofy. What do you think of Anne-Marie?
He's like very chill.
That looks like onions. We're gonna add a little bit of apple cider for a more condensed flavor, but not too much because I don't want to cook it all down again. Okay, you know what? I don't even care, bro. Why do this? Now we actually have to wait for this to cool a bit because otherwise it's gonna make the pastry literally melt. Andrew, were you ever on iFunny back in the day? I missed the iFunny meme format. This almost smells like a McDonald's apple pie.
Popeye's apple pies are the best.
I've never even seen
They're
that in
like
my life.
20 times better than McDonald's. In no time!
We put the compote into this bowl so that it would cool down easier rather than sitting in the
What
hot
if
pot.
we put it in a strainer and then you could strain out the juices?
Penny, nickel, dime, penny, penny, nickel, dime. You're brilliant, Andrew. What would I do without you?
Gordon Ramsay is probably screaming.
This kind of reminds me of something interesting.
Mac and cheese.
I was thinking of like peeing. One time when Andrew was little, in the middle of the night, he opened his sock drawer and peed in it.
Bro, I thought it was a urinal.
And there was one time me and Ashley were in the bathroom and he walked in, like sleepwalked in. He opened the cabinet under the sink and peed in it. There was like a whole...
This was within a week.
Yeah, there was like a 1 month where he just like kept sleepwalking and peeing in weird like random places because he thought it was the bathroom. So me and Ashley were like awake and we're like, Andrew, stop! No, Andrew, that's not the toilet! And then you were like, shut up! And you went to you didn't even wake up. And then we were like, we had to tell mom. How do you think you would do in a cooking competition?
Terrible.
Sometimes I think if I went on MasterChef.
Sometimes I think
you ever thought that you could, that you were. I think if I tried my best on MasterChef, I could make it pretty far through. Like, I think I could make it like halfway through.
Semifinals?
Like probably semifinals. I'd probably be the runner-up. There's still so many juices.
Bro, it's an apple.
It needs to be dry. Okay, next we gotta roll out this puff pastry dough, which is hopefully not like rock hard frozen.
I opened the puff pastry, yo.
Are they rock hard?
Yeah, dude.
Looks like we might have to wait a bit for this to thaw.
Put them under a light.
Like little chicken eggs. We defrosted these by the fireplace, and now they're nice and easy to open. They're still frozen though, which is good. Got both of them opened up, and you're gonna turn yours into fritters. I'm gonna make an apple tart. And those will turn into 4 fritters.
You could scoop.
And you fold it over. This is so beautiful. You gotta poke a little hole on the top so it doesn't explode. Nice, that's it.
Ravioli, ravioli. Give me the formioli.
Oh my god, there's lemons in here. Where's your lemon seed? Ooh, that's pretty gross. We also got this one apple left over that I'm gonna cut into really thin slices to put on top of my tart.
No.
No.
Oh no, it's Frankenstein.
my tart. Let's give me a little square.
When do you put the sugar on?
Before cooking.
Why don't we preheat the oven?
It is preheating.
Oh.
It's at 400. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, well that had some great potential to be pretty, and then I messed it up. We got 2 tarts. We gotta put demerara sugar on it. This is what's gonna make it look quite beautiful and delicious. I'm gonna try and smear some butter on here so that it sticks with the sugar.
Right now, I'm covering mine in a lot because I love sugar.
Just going around the little edges.
They're ready to hit the oven.
Yeah. 20 minutes. They're done.
Ow!
Tasty and delicious. This is kind of fire. The apples look a little dry, so now we gotta put glaze on them.
Can I eat this?
Not yet. They're probably really hot. Bruh. What are you thinking?
Mm-hmm.
We bought a little apricot jam because apparently that's a good glaze. So you mix it with some water and then heat it up. You're gonna just like put it over these apples. You see the difference of the glaze versus no glaze?
They look pretty good.
Yeah, this looks like a French patisserie. He keeps eating more of it.
Ah!
The sugar actually melted so nicely, but it's still pretty intact. Oh! Whoa! It tastes so buttery. Here we get the tart. This is actually really delicious. I think it tastes even better than the fritters.
Are those fritters or turnovers?
Turnovers. We said fritters the whole damn video. This is delicious. I love the fresh apples on top. That's probably our easiest baking venture so far.
Maybe.
Maybe. That was a pretty crazy experience. Besides just waiting for the apples to cook down, that was pretty quick and easy.
Easy money. I enjoyed it.
Mom was the goat peeling the apples.
Yeah, that did help a lot.
Thanks guys for watching. Hope everyone is having a wonderful start to their 2022, and we'll see you again later. Peace!